What's up, unboxing fans, fellow healthy eaters? This is your buddy Repel London Hawthorne, and I am here with yet another unboxing. This is something I've been wanting to do for a while. I made a big order on Vitamin Shoppe's website, well, really on their app. I'm in the process of a weight loss journey. I've lost 231.4 pounds as of last Friday. Today is Thanksgiving Thursday. I'm actually intermittent fasting. I'm very, very, very hungry. I looked at some raw broccoli and I was about to go crazy. And then I said, you know what? You're strong. You're strong. So this is very difficult because I have a massive Vitamin Shoppe unboxing ahead of me right here, and I'm just looking at these and I'm just like quenched. I am just wanting these so bad. So I went crazy. I'm not sponsored by Quest or Vitamin Shoppe, but I would love to be. Let me know. All these were purchased with my own money. Yeah. So I'm going to be doing taste tests and reviews of each and every single one of these in their own individual videos. I have done a lot of different Quest product taste tests and reviews, which please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. You know, in my search bar, just type in Quest taste test, and you'll find all my taste tests I've done so far. And hopefully very soon you'll see each and every taste test of these items. So first up is Quest S'mores flavored protein bar. 21 grams of protein, 4 net carbs, 1 gram of sugar, 14 grams of fiber. They absolutely look phenomenal. Spoiler alert, every single Quest product that I've tried so far tastes really good. It looks like what you're hoping it looks like. This is maple waffle. I love waffles. I love maple syrup only on like waffles and French toast and stuff. Yeah, so I'm excited. I don't know, some people are weird. They really like maple bacon. Like, I'm not into that. I like it on. I like the syrup. Like, if you accidentally get some on the bacon, that's fine. But I'm talking like maple flavored bacon. I'm not really into that. Quest cinnamon rolls. These look so good. Oh my god, I love cinnamon rolls. This is Quest brand tortilla style protein chips. This is spicy sweet chili. Now, Doritos has my favorite all-time chip, which is spicy sweet chili. So I can't wait to try these. The macros, I guess I forgot to say, the 21 grams of protein for the maple waffle, 20 grams for the cinnamon roll. These have 19 grams and 4 net carbs. So it is a much healthier option than a traditional chip. Chili lime. I guess this would be like an equivalent of like a more of a Latin flavor, like a Takis or something. But this is Quest. 20 grams of protein, 3 net carbs, so even better macros. Then we have Quest Sea Salt Caramel Almond, 10 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, 5 net carbs, no added sugar. God, these look good. I love granola bars. But, you know, some of them have a lot of carbs and sugar. Oh, my God. Chocolate sprinkled donut. Oh, my God. How good do these look? 23 carbs minus 14 grams of fiber minus 5 grams of erythritol is 4 net carbs. These look good. I think these would be Homer Simpson approved. The last two, we have Quest Hero. This is chocolate, caramel, and pecan. 16 grams of protein, 4 net carbs, and 11 grams of fiber, 1 gram of sugar. These look so good. And last but not least, Mocha chocolate chip. So I'd assume this is more of a coffee flavor. I'm not a coffee person, but I wanted to try these. I think they look good. Mocha is fine. It's like chocolate coffee hybrid, but this looks appetizing. This is 4 net carbs, less than a gram of sugar, and 14 grams of fiber per bar. Hell yeah. Ah, yeah. Need that fiber. So, yeah, this is my unboxing from Vitamin Shoppe, all Quest products. Quest, if you want to send me some, you want to send me a coupon, let me know. Once again, this is all purchased with my own money. Thanks so much for watching my video. I wish you the best. Have a great day. Please subscribe. Please share. If you want to help support my channel, you like cool t-shirts, go to onceuponatea.net or riptapparel.com. That's onceuponatea.net or rippedapparel.com. Find your shirt or shirts of choice. You'll save about $3 off each and every shirt when you use my coupon code London Hawthorne. That's London Hawthorne is your coupon code, and you'll save about $3 a shirt. Have a great one. Thanks so much for watching.